We're showing unboxing the street light packaged in foam and plastic. A close-up look at the street light with the solar array on the bottom measuring 22.5 inches and overall 25.25, with the V shape measuring 13.5 inches and depth from the thickest part around 3 inches. We have an on and off, an LED indicator for charging, the solar array panel, the area that you hang your brackets up, and your pole material made of plastic, chrome-like, and LEDs. The company is VZYHIK, a 9,000 watt, 7,000 Kelvin street pole light. 6 to 8 hour charging time through the sun, 16 to 20 hours of runtime. These are 5730 diode LEDs, 960 pieces at 240 degrees. And what we're going to do is set this up on a pole and show you what it looks like. Included 2 AAA batteries installed, remote control driven with an on and off 25, 50, 75, and 100%, and the PIR security sensor with the 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8 hour timer. Testing the unit out is turning on the switch first and turning off and on the unit. 25, 50, 75, 100, the PIR sensor, and the timer. Manually shutting off the unit is a long press. And our demonstration purposes, we have a pole. We're going to hang the pole up, place on, up to a 4-inch width of a pole with the included wrench to lock down. The pole could be hung up a minimum of 10 to 15 feet with the remote control of 28 feet range and a lighting distance of 1,000 square feet. Placing on the pole bracket with the supplied bolts. Placing up the main light assembly by lifting, placing on, and adjusting. Testing out the unit for lighting and shutting down. A green LED indicator, 2 blue and 2 red are shown for charging. Poles can go as high as 20 plus feet in the air, sold separately as an option. Masonry anchors are given for wall mounting using the pole mount bracket, and placing on any type of pole is imaginable. We're going to show you what the light looks like. 220 degrees, 900 plus LEDs with 9,000 watts of 7,000 Kelvin. From 25 through 100% on a timer and motion sensor. This will be a demonstration of the light in the evening hour. It's the evening hours, dusk to dawn, the light will go on. If we shut the light off and turn it on, we are at 100%. We're at 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. When we turn it on to the PIR sensor and allow it to dim down or shut down, it would trigger back on to 100% for so many seconds. We'll step away out of the camera and allow it to trigger down. As it triggers down to 30%, we're going to walk, and a light triggered immediately as we'll stand over here to show you how it triggers after 30 seconds. The light dims down to 30%. As I wave my hand over here, movement, we are back to 100%. We could put on a timer 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 hours. Dusk to dawn light. Trigger off the PIR sensor, the light will stay on dusk to dawn. 9,000 watt light, 7,000 Kelvin, 20 hours up to runtime, 6 to 8 hours to fully charge. This is an IP rated street light all year round. Sun rays to charge. Put it by the boatyard, by the RV. Take it with you in the woods camping to light the area up. Put it in the front yard, the backyard, on the pole, wherever you need light. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for your outdoor lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.